Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about those dazzling streaks of light that grace our celestial canvas? Well, get ready to embark on a cosmic journey as we unveil the secrets of the universe's most enigmatic wanderers. Brace yourself for a mind-bending exploration into the captivating world of comets. Get ready to witness the extraordinary as we delve into the mysteries that lie within these celestial marvels. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts, to today's captivating exploration of comets. Comets, those enigmatic celestial bodies that have fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. These cosmic wanderers, often referred to as dirty snowballs or icy dirt balls, are remnants from the early days of our solar system. Comets are composed of a mixture of ice, dust, and rocky material, and they orbit the sun in elongated paths, sometimes taking them on incredible journeys that bring them close to our own planet. Throughout history, comets have been seen as both omens and celestial wonders, captivating the imaginations of cultures around the world. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of these mesmerizing objects and explore their significance in our understanding of the universe. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an awe-inspiring voyage into the realm of comets. Let's dive in. As we delve deeper into the world of comets, it's important to understand their composition and origin. Comets are believed to originate from two main regions in our solar system, the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud. The Kuiper belt, located beyond the orbit of Neptune, is a region filled with icy bodies, including Pluto. The Oort cloud, on the other hand, is a vast and distant region surrounding our solar system, containing billions of comets. Comets are composed of a nucleus, which is the solid core made up of ice, dust, and rocky material. As a comet approaches the sun, the heat causes the ice to vaporize, creating a glowing coma, or a cloud of gas and dust, around the nucleus. This coma can stretch for thousands of kilometers, creating a stunning visual display. Additionally, the solar wind pushes against the coma, forming a tail that always points away from the sun due to the sun's radiation pressure. One of the most famous comets in history is Halley's Comet, which visits our inner solar system approximately every 76 years. Its last appearance was in 1986, and it won't be visible again until 2061. Halley's Comet has been observed and documented for centuries, with records dating back to ancient civilizations. Its predictable return has allowed scientists to study its composition and behavior in great detail. Comets have played a significant role in shaping our understanding of the early solar system. By analyzing the composition of comets, scientists have gained insights into the building blocks of planets and the conditions that existed billions of years ago. Some theories even suggest that comets may have delivered water and organic molecules to Earth, potentially contributing to the development of life. In recent years, space missions like the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission and NASA's Deep Impact have provided unprecedented close-up views of comets. These missions have allowed scientists to study the nucleus, coma, and tail of comets in remarkable detail, unraveling their secrets and shedding light on their complex behavior. Comets continue to intrigue and inspire us, reminding us of the vastness and beauty of our universe. Their ethereal presence in the night sky serves as a reminder of the wonders that lie beyond our own planet. So, the next time you gaze up at the stars, take a moment to appreciate these celestial travelers and the mysteries they hold. And there you have it, a captivating journey through the world of comets. From their icy cores to their mesmerizing tails, comets have fascinated us for centuries, leaving us in awe of the wonders of our universe. These celestial wanderers not only provide us with breathtaking displays in the night sky, but also offer valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. As we conclude this exploration, we encourage you to continue your own cosmic adventures. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the mysteries that surround us. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more captivating content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow space enthusiasts. We value your feedback and would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below with any suggestions for future video topics or any questions you may have. Your engagement and support are what keep us inspired to bring you more fascinating content. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep reaching for the stars.